Hi everyone, welcome back to another Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this beautiful illustration. It might look hard, but believe me it's not. We'll draw the leaf first, draw an oval circle, and fill it with the color. Create a clipping layer on it, change it to screen, first draw a vertical line in the middle, then enable the vertical symmetry tool, and draw more lines on it. Create one more clip layer. As you can see, this brush is too small. To change it, go to the settings and increase the size range bar. Now we can increase its size even more. Lower the opacity of this layer. Add more glow in the middle and erase extra glow from the edges. Now, merge both clip layers, then select the leaf using the selection tool, tap on the transform option, and change it to warp. Now change the shape of the leaf. Use the solid fill and erase some portions of the leaf. We're done with this leaf. Now we'll draw another one, hide this layer, and create a new layer. Enable the vertical symmetry tool again, and start drawing the leaf. Draw a straight vertical line and drag it to the center. Create one guide layer, so we know that how long the strand should be. Now draw multiple strands, try to add some variance to the strands, we don't want them to look exactly same. You can hide or delete the guide layer, we don't need it anymore. Create a clip layer on top of this layer, and add some darker shade around the edges. Merge the clip layer and drag this layer below the vertical line we drew before. Create a clip layer for the vertical line layer, and add some shades to it, then adjust the opacity of this layer according to your likings. Merge both clip layer and vertical line layer to the strands layer. Create a new layer in the bottom for the background layer. Fill it with black color for now, we'll work on it later. Select one of the leaf using the selection tool, and duplicate it and tap on the stamp option to paste it wherever you want. Don't stamp the leaf when it's overlapping another leaf. If you want to overlap the leaves, then keep them in separate layers, then select the layer which is below, and use Alpha Lock to add shade on it. After adding shade, merge both layers. Repeat this process until it fills your whole screen. Notice when I'm using the stamp multiple times, I'm not overlapping the leaves. Now I will fast forward the video, because I'm just repeating the process again and again. You can slow it down if you want from the video settings. We're done with the leaves. Now we'll add some highlights to the leaves, create a new layer on the top and set it to screen. Pick the color from the leaf and start adding the highlights. Now let's work on the background layer. Hide all the layer so we can see it properly. Use the gradient tool and select the color black and green, then it's done. Thanks for watching. Like the video if it helped and subscribe for more videos like this.